Business owners must decide how to structure their businesses to determine ownership, control, and liability. It is also essential for protecting personal assets and ensuring compliance with the law. We would examine key considerations that can guide your decision-making process in selecting the best legal structure for your business. So let's dive right in. The first consideration is understanding the nature of your business. Understanding its purpose, objective, its risk, the growth plan. Is it a small business? Is it a family-owned business? Or is it a group of professionals coming together to operate an entity? Or is it a real estate investment scheme? Is it an hedge fund investment? Understand the nature of your business and ensure that the legal structure that you choose should align with the objectives, the goals, the risk of your business. Another key consideration is industry regulations. Find out if your business type is subject to any industry-specific requirements. For instance, some industry regulators and enacted laws prescribe legal structures that you should adapt if you want to operate in that industry. The most recent is the Nigerian Startup Act 2022. It provides that for a tech startup to be issued a startup label certificate, it ought to be registered as a limited liability. For instance, if you want to operate a school, you want to be in the financial industry as a financial institution, they are prescribed legal structure by industry regulators. So you need to look into that. You need to make your research to know if your business type is not subject to industry regulations. Another consideration is liability protection. This is very, very crucial to shield your personal asset from business debt and liability. Some legal structure provide for liability protection, while some do not. So you need to level of personal risk you are comfortable with when selecting your business structure. Tax implications can significantly impact on the financial health of your business. Different legal structures have different tax treatment. In alignment with best practices, sole proprietorship or general partnership are usually taxed on the income of their owners, while limited liability companies are treated differently. You might want to consult your tax professional for you to understand the tax liability and responsibility that is attached to a particular legal structure before making your choice. Ownership and management are also important considerations. For instance, a sole proprietor is managed and controlled by just one person because it is a one-man business. In a partnership, you might have joint control of the business depending on the terms and agreements contained in the partnership agreement. While in a limited liability company, it is more structured. You have the owners who appoint the board of directors, and the board of directors are saddled with responsibility of carrying on the business on behalf of the shareholder. So you need to put it into consideration, the control and the management, before choosing your legal structure. Another key consideration is compliance requirement. For sole proprietorship, general partnership, their compliance requirement is not as complex as a limited liability company. So you might want to consider the compliance requirement of each legal structure. Do you have the time? Do you have the resources to actually comply with the law? So you need to consider this before selecting your legal structure. This is where we would stop today. Do not forget to leave your comments and questions. In our next video, we'll examine the different legal structures available in the Nigeria business landscape. My name is Yeiyah-Ur, and I am your legal business companion. I share legal tips to help business owners make informed decisions on how to protect their interests, safeguard their assets, scale their businesses, build talent, and impact their community. Remember, everything I share in my video are just for educational purposes. Meet your lawyer for personalized advice. See you next time. Bye.